I love 3-in-1 wireless charging stands for Apple devices. They allow me to charge my AirPods, Apple Watch and iPhone with a single cable. The problem with these charging stations is that I cannot take them on travel. That's when I discovered the Benks JuicePod 3-in-1 charging station for Apple. In today's video, I will showcase it and tell you what I love and hate about this device. The Benks JuicePod comes in a standard packaging. It is a 3-in-1 foldable charging system that is suitable for both desk and travel charging situations. At the back of the box, you will notice all the details about the product. Let's unbox this and I will talk about all the features as I showcase this product. In the box, you get paperwork and a USB-C to USB-C charging cable. While not braided, the cable feels high quality. It's approximately 3 feet long, the standard length for the charging cables. Now, let's remove the charger from its plastic cover. The Benks JuicePod is pretty compact in its folded appearance. You can easily throw it in a backpack or even a compact sling bag without issues. On the side, there's a USB-C port that you connect to deliver power. Let's unfold the charger and connect it. The Benks JuicePod doesn't include a power adapter, so you will need to use your own power brick. I can digest it as the charging station costs only $39.99, which is affordable in this segment. You can use our coupon mentioned in the video description to get 15% off the product and use the savings to get a new USB-C power adapter. Now that I have the charger connected, let's see if it can charge all our devices. I have been using this charger for the past 2 weeks and spoiler alert, it works without any issues. You can see that I can place my AirPods, Apple Watch and iPhone on the Benks JuicePod, which charges all the devices simultaneously. I like that I can place my iPhone in both landscape and portrait orientations. The magnet is super strong and your iPhone will not automatically fall off the charger. Another thing I love about the Benks charger is that I can lay it flat down. If you don't use standby mode on your iPhone, this configuration gives you a hassle-free charging environment, especially when traveling. As for charging speeds, it delivers 5 watt of power for both Apple Watch and AirPods and 7.5 watt to your iPhone. Benks says that the charger can deliver up to 15 watt of charging for iPhone if no other devices are being charged, but I have no way to verify that claim. The charging speed seems more or less the same as my other 7.5 watt wireless chargers. I have been testing the Benks JuicePod for over 2 weeks and in all that time using this product, I have only noticed one drawback. The base of the Benks JuicePod is not heavy enough, so although you can fold it at any angle, it will topple back with your iPhone's weight if the angle is too steep. It's not a significant issue for me as the Benks JuicePod remains quite stable at optimal viewing angles for the iPhone. However, I felt it was worth mentioning because I did notice this issue. That being said, for its price of $39.99, the Benks JuicePod is one of the best 3-in-1 Apple charging stations. I love it for its portability and carry it with me everywhere. It has removed 2 cables from my bag, the Apple Watch charging cable and the lightning cable for my AirPods Pro 2s. I can finally carry a single USB-C cable to charge all my Apple devices.